In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Google Calendar with Hubspot. To begin, log into your Hubspot account. Make sure you are using the correct account before moving forward, since the calendar connection will be added to that workspace. Once you are signed in and on your main dashboard, look to the top navigation bar. At the top of the screen, click the Marketplace icon, which looks like a shopping bag. This will open a menu with different options. From that menu, select App Marketplace. This area is where Hubspot lets you browse and install integrations that connect with other tools, including Google Calendar. Once you are in the App Marketplace, use the search bar to look for Google Calendar. Type it in clearly, then click on the Google Calendar app when it appears in the search results. This will open the app page where you can review the integration and start the setup process. Now go to the top right corner of the page and click Install App. Hubspot will then open a pop-up window to guide you through the connection. In that pop-up, click Connect Your Calendar to continue. Next, click Connect to Google Calendar. At this point, Google will ask you to choose the Google account you want to connect. Select the account that contains the calendar you plan to use with Hubspot. If you manage more than one Google account, take a moment here to choose the right one, since this is the calendar Hubspot will sync with. After selecting your Google account, you will be shown a permissions screen. Review the permissions carefully, then click Allow to grant Hubspot access to your calendar. This permission is necessary so Hubspot can connect properly and work with your scheduling and calendar activity. Once access has been granted, return to the Setup window and click Save. This confirms the connection and completes the process. After saving, your Google Calendar should now be connected to Hubspot. If the integration does not appear right away, give it a few moments to finish syncing. It can also help to refresh the page if needed. That covers everything you need to know.